Friends, welcome to another video. Hope you're having a great day. Today we've got a Dell Inspiron 5502. Dell call it a P102F, which has come in for a battery change. So pretty straightforward. I'll show you how to do this. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Right, so I'll show you how to take the battery out. Some of the screws will stay in the back cover, some will come out. And so let's get the back cover off. Those two will stay in the back cover. So let's just take off the cover. So we've got a bit of a gap between the frame of the laptop and the back cover. You need something kind of sharpish just to get in there and just pop off the cover like so. Right, so the first thing to do is disconnect the battery. Okay, lift that out. And again, the battery has a few more screws. There's one here. Okay, now before I do anything else, I want to drain any power that the board may have. We'll get the new battery. This can be bought via the link below. So it's from Amazon. And then put the screws back into place. Right, I'm just going to see if we do have power now. Nothing at the moment. Let me get a charger. Yep, we have the lights. Right, so as you can see, that is all absolutely fine now. Just needs a good old charge on a proper charger.